Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're told in function m of 4 is 6 and m of 6 is 10. We're told for function n of 6 is 4 and n of 10 is 2. And we're asked what's the value of n of 6. So m of n of 6. The way we're going to solve this is first we have to find what is n of 6. Well, we're given that n of 6 is 4. So m of this, n of 6, is m of something that's equivalent to this, which is 4. So m of this is equal to m of 4. And then we're also given what m of 4 is. In the function m of 4 is equal to 6. So the answer to this is just 6. We have to recognize that we're taking the value of n of 6 and we're plugging it into m, right? So it's equal to 4, so therefore we have to find m at 4. And you get 6, so C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.